Hi loves, welcome back to our channel. This is Jerry, and for today's Figure Friday, I'm going to be unboxing these two Sega figures. They're both of Megumin from the anime Konosuba. I've recently started watching this anime because of my twin sister, and it's honestly quickly become one of our favorite animes, so I'm really excited about these. And also Megumin is my favorite character of the whole anime, so I'm really excited to have these two Megumins. So I'm going to show you the boxes really quick. This one is like this cute outfit, like dancing Megumin. It looks like she's trying to cast a spell on you. And then this one is Megumin in her like usual outfit. And on the side here it has these like instructions for how to put it together, which I really appreciate because I had a little bit of trouble on the last Figure Friday. So that's why in this one I'm actually gonna open the boxes up with you guys and put it together on camera for you guys, so you guys can get an idea of how easy or difficult it is to put these together. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into that. Okay, so here's everything that was in the box. It's the stand, the figure, her cape, her hat, and her staff. So I'm gonna refer to the side of the box. Okay. For instructions. So I can't read Japanese, but they're pretty obvious with the pictures. And it looks like here you have to take her head off and then put the cape and then put her head back on. Then the staff and then something about the back of her head. I don't know. So let's go ahead and start off with what the picture's already showing. So we're gonna have to, this is the figure, by the way. It's really nice, and it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, so I'm pretty happy about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull Megumin's head off. Okay, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. So now this, it looks like these little pieces here are going to press into here. So what's the easiest way to do that? Okay. So I just lined it up and now I'm pressing it in, and that seemed to go in pretty easily. Oh my gosh, she looks so funny, headless Megumin. So this is a little Megumin head, and I'm gonna connect it right there. So, and that went in pretty well. You see her little collar, and she has her little cat in here. So cute. So then the next step is the staff. Oh, and then the hat. Okay. The staff. Okay. Oh my god, I just know. I was like, wait, where's her hand? The hand is like connected to the staff. So if you look in there, it has like a specific shape. And this should be able to fit it perfectly. So to know how it goes in, you want to go by the shape. So it looks like it would go in like this. So I'm going to try to press it in, or push it in. Oh no, Megumin's head fell off. I don't think I'm doing a good job of pressing these in. And now the head, and I pushed these in better so they're more secure now. And then I believe it goes into, so there's two here, so her foot would go here and the one foot there. Okay, so that's how she would, once you press her in, that's how she stands on the base, or on the stand. And it's a pretty simple one, it's just black circle. So I don't hate it, I'm happy about that. Sometimes I really don't like the base that it comes with, so I'm happy that this isn't like a horrible base, it's just simple. So here's her hat, and it has like nice details in this hat. I'm really happy about that, it's really good looking. So this is supposed to fit to her hair. Like that. And for being a prize figure, I'm really happy with it. These are both like Sega, they're limited premium, but they're prize figures, which means that you can win these like in crane games in arcades in Japan. So they're meant to be like a little more affordable. They're like between $20 to $40. So I'm really happy with the quality of this one. It's really beautiful for being a prize figure. Okay, so now that we're done with that one, I'm gonna go ahead and open the other Megumin. Alright, so here's our second figure. I'm gonna go ahead and start opening the box up. Like I said earlier, I already untaped it here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. So with this one, we actually got super lucky because she's already built, or I mean, she doesn't have any pieces that are removed. So there's no assembly required. And she is so cute, look at her, she's like casting a little spell. She's adorable, and I love what it like translucents here, it's like kind of see-through. That's so cute. They put a lot of detail into this and I'm really happy about it. A little anklet, she's so adorable. I love Megumin. So this is the stand, and I'm actually super excited about this stand. The other stand was like whatever, it was black, at least I wasn't upset about it. But this stand is so cute, it's clear with the pink, and it says Kono Subarashi and the rest. I can't really pronounce it, so I'm just gonna leave the saying there. But yeah, it says Kono Suba. And that is so cute, and it's pink and clear, and it like brings out the pink in her little, I don't know, shawl thing she's wearing here. So I'm like super excited about this one. Her eyes are so beautiful. So I think it's gonna go in like this. I had a little trouble getting that one in, but it's in now. And this is how she looks. Ah, I love this one. So I'm gonna grab the other one and compare them for you guys. So these are the two Megumin figures. I would say that they're about the same size because of Megumin's hat, but because of her stance and stuff, I would say she's probably a little shorter. And the features are a little bigger, like she has a little bit of a bigger head and bigger eyes and stuff. But I like them both a lot. This one though, I've noticed that because of her hat, you would have to put her on a higher shelf so that you would be able to see her expressions and see her face more fully. And this one you wouldn't necessarily have to. So it's just something to consider if you're trying, if you really like Megumin and you're trying to decide which Megumin figure you want. That's something to consider where you're going to put it. If you got this one, you would want to put it higher up on a shelf. But they're both detailed and they're both really beautiful and affordable figures. So you're honestly going to be well off with either one of these two. So I'm going to put these on the revolving platform so that you guys can get a better look at them, and I'll tell you a little more about the specs. So this Megumin figure from the popular anime Konosuba was produced by Sega for their LPM or limited premium line of prize figures. This rendering is based on her appearance in Konosuba 2. She stands about 8 inches tall. She's very detailed with vivid colors, and she's represented in her usual outfit with her little pet cat. So here's another Megumin figure from the anime Konosuba. This is also a Sega limited premium prize figure, and in this figure she is represented as her appearance in the Konosuba Legend of Crimson. She also stands about 8 inches tall, and in this version, this is the dancer version. So she's featured in this cute dancer outfit, which she wore in the Legend of Crimson anime. Okay, so I think that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments section which figure you liked the most. Personally, for me, it was really hard to choose. I really like the pink on the dancer figure, but I love how cute and detailed the figure with her original outfit is. So you'll have to let me know in the comments below which one you liked and why. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you really liked this Figure Friday. If you did, let us know. And also try to give us any suggestions you guys can on what figures you would like to see us open or what you would like to see us do for the next Figure Friday. Again, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Love you guys so much. See you in the next one.